Very good evening, my dear students. Today we are going to see probability exercise 15.1 8th sum. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at the random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red, not red? So what they have given in the question is, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. So in the bag there are 3 red balls and 5 black balls. So total how many balls are there? Total number of balls in the bag is how many? 8. So what they are asking the question, what is the probability that the ball drawn is red? So now first we need to check probability of getting a red ball equal to what? Number of favorable outcomes. Formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So now we are going to find out probability of getting a red ball. So for the red ball, how many red balls they have given? 3 red balls. By total number of possible outcomes. The total number of possible outcomes means total number of balls in the bag. So that is 8. So now we find out the answer. Probability of getting a red ball is 3 by 8. Now next one. This is the first option. And second one is for not red. That is probability of not getting a red ball is, as per the formula, P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. This is the formula. So likewise, probability of not getting a red ball equal to 1 minus P of E means whatever it is there, the same. So whatever it is there means red ball, how many it is there. So probability of getting a red ball equal to 1 minus. Probability of getting a red ball is how much? 3 by 8. So 8 into 1, how much? 8. Minus 3. 3 by 8. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. 5 by 8. So this is what the answer. Now next question. We are going to move to next question. A box contains 5 red marbles. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out. One marble is taken out of the box at random. Then what is the probability that the marble taken out will be? How much? Red, white and not green. So now what we are going to do? Total number of balls. Now, total number of marbles in the box. That is, in the box, this is marbles. Total number of marbles in box. How much? 5 plus 8 plus 4. How much? 17. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. So now we are going to find it out. What is the number of red marbles? For first one, we are going to check with first one. Number of red marbles. Number of red marbles is what? Equal to, what is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes, that is in red marbles how much? 5. Total number of possible outcomes is how much? That is total number of marbles in box, 17. So this is the answer by finding out for the number of red marbles. The next one is number of white marbles. Number of white marbles equal to what? The formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. The same formula only we need to apply here. So, number of favorable outcomes for this white is how much? 8. So, 8 by total number of possible outcomes is 17. The next one is number of green marbles. They are asking the question as not green. So first, how many green marbles are there? By that, we can find it out how many not green are there. So, number of green marbles is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes, how much? 4. By total number of possible outcomes, 17. So, now, probability of not green, how much? Not green equal to, what is the formula? 1 minus probability of number of green marbles. 1 minus probability of number of green marbles is 4 by 17. 17 into 1, 17 minus 4 by 17. 17 minus 4 is 13 by 17. This is the answer. 17 minus 4 is 13. So 13 by 17. This is the answer. The next